Hey guys, do you remember the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp drama that has been an ongoing case for as long as I can remember? And do you know that it's being updated every single day? Like right now that I'm covering this, there have been two new changes, one of which involves Cara Delevingne and the other Amber's lawyers. So hit the bell and subscription button and stay with me to find out all the new updates of this case. Let's start with the lawyer's case first. So Amber Heard has lost her team's high-profile attorney, Time's Up co-founder Roberta Kaplan, and according to The Blast, Kaplan along with several other attorneys filed to withdraw from Johnny Depp's $50 million defamation case, and they say that Amber has endorsed the decision. These are the most important parts of the statement that was revealed by The Blast, and the undersigned moves for the entry of an order permitting Robert Kaplan, John Quinn, Julie Fink, Davida Brooke to withdraw as counsel of record for defendant of Amber, Laura Heard. In addition to the undersigned, who is remaining in this matter as counsel of record to Mrs. Heard? Well, Mrs. Heard has retained the services of another trial counsel licensed in Virginia, Elaine Brederoft, and all withdrawing counsel are currently admitted pro-hack vice, so Mrs. Heard will still be represented by the undersigned Virginia counsel. Ms. Heard does not object to the withdrawal of withdrawing counsel and has endorsed the proposed order granting leave to withdraw. Roberta Kaplan's spokesperson also said that they believe in Amber and that they have been proud to serve as Amber's counsel. And in the strange and unexpected circumstances of today's world, as travel and logistics have become more costly in the light of the pandemic, they understand the decision to move the case to the local Virginia-based trial counsel. But of course, decisions like this, and in a case like this, aren't made drama-free, and apparently Johnny Depp's attorney Adam Waldman doesn't seem to believe the reasoning behind Kaplan's decision. He has told The Blast for years that #TimesUp and others inexplicably hitched their wagons to Amber Heard's abuse hoax, and Mrs. Heard's lawyers, one of whom co-founded the #TimesUp Legal Defense Fund, have now apparently unhitched from Mrs. Heard's long disproven frauds, and we intend to discover why. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, this lawyer case is not the only thing that is changing about this case. Now, let me tell you about Cara Delevingne's part in this case while the previous investigation is being carried out. So, according to DailyMail.com, there's a new claim that Cara Delevingne had a three-way affair with Amber Heard and Elon Musk. If you guys remember, before Johnny Depp had filed papers asking that Elon Musk and James Franco hand in any messages, emails, and conversations they had with Amber Heard during the time that Johnny and Amber split in May of 2016. So now remember that there is a possibility that they asked for Cara to do the same thing. Now, how did they find out about Cara Delevingne? Well, there is this guy called Josh Drew who was married to Amber's best friend before, and he was the one who came up with these allegations. So have in mind that this guy was living rent-free in one of Johnny Depp's apartments, so these allegations may not be correct at all. In a clip that is posted on Daily Mail, you can see that the guy says that Amber Heard was having an affair with Cara Delevingne while she was still married to Johnny Depp. When asked by attorney Benjamin Chu if she ever told him in words or substance while Amber was still married to Johnny Depp that the three of them, Amber Heard, Elon Musk, and Cara Delevingne, spent the night together, he answered by saying to the specific date, "I can't say, but they were having a three-way affair to his understanding." The first time there were rumors about Amber and Cara's affair was in 2016 when a tabloid reported that Johnny Depp was driven insane by suspicions that Heard was having an affair with the British model and actress Cara Delevingne, and they were seen partying together here and there, but the rumors were never addressed. DailyMail.com even had a picture of the lady that resembles Cara in a private elevator to Depp's penthouse in late of 2016, and interestingly enough, the picture was taken from the same security camera that captured Heard and Musk cuddling up in the same elevator. And even though there are no dates on the pictures, the staff of the bulletin claim that the three of them were together the day before Thanksgiving in 2016. And nothing more is clear yet in this case of Cara. So for the ones who don't know all the details in this case, I'm gonna give you a timeline to help you with that. So Amber Heard and Johnny Depp got married on February 3rd of 2015 in a private ceremony at their house in LA, and 4 years after they met on the set of The Rum Diaries. And after about 15 months, Amber filed for divorce, justifying it with irreconcilable differences. 4 days later, she filed a domestic violence restraining order against the actor for physical abuse, including the infamous incident when Johnny allegedly threw a cell phone at her. Photos of Amber with bruises on her face had surfaced, and she claimed that Johnny had verbally and physically abused her. And even though Depp had always denied the accusations, the couple ended up divorcing in August of 2016 under a confidentiality agreement for which she received $7 million. And in that document, the couple agreed not to speak publicly about their relationship or even about their divorce. But Amber violated the agreement because in December of 2018, she wrote for the Washington Post and detailed her experience as an alleged victim of domestic violence. At the beginning of last year, Depp's side took action and released new accusations. So despite not being named in the Washington Post article, in March of 2019, Johnny filed a $50 million defamation suit that said that the piece was insinuated that he was the abuser, and the actor contradicted the accusations of his wife, and he said that he was the victim of her violence. So it turns out that all of the accusations that Amber had made against Johnny might have been false, and it was kind of ironic because Heard was an ambassador for women's rights and an outspoken domestic violence advocate. A month later, Amber released a document that listed down more than a dozen instances of abuse in their relationship, and in that document that was over 300 pages long, she called Johnny a monster and attached photos of herself with bruises and pictures of wrecked rooms and broken glass. But in May of 2019, Johnny denied Heard's claims, and he declared that in 2015, just a month after the wedding, while he and Amber were in Australia, his now ex-wife threw a glass bottle at him during an argument over a post-nump. The bottle hit the kitchen counter and shattered where the actor put his hand, and it ripped off the tip of his finger. Amber stuck to the version that it was Johnny who injured himself while he was heavily intoxicated. But supposedly, the bottle incident wasn't the only form of abuse from Amber's side. Johnny said that the abuse incidents took place on multiple occasions and with various weapons. So apparently, Amber even put a cigarette out on the actor's cheek and threw random things at him. And because of that, he had to undergo multiple surgeries, and apparently, he almost died after contracting MRSA 3 times. What's more, and is kind of suspicious, is that Amber had only one witness who was of rather questionable reputation. And by the way, Johnny Depp had at least a dozen of them. One of those people was a housekeeper who allegedly witnessed the incidents that happened during their short but turbulent marriage. But other celebrities are also involved in the situation. And according to Johnny, Amber got into a relationship with Elon Musk just 1 month after they got married. Like what? And Johnny claims that Musk paid Amber many late-night visits at his and Amber's apartment in his legal team, and said that they had witnesses from the building's security team who testified that they saw Musk leaving the building in the morning. And besides Elon Musk, James Franco was also called in as a witness because there's footage of him entering an elevator with Amber the day after she reportedly had a fight with Depp, and Amber's attorney team claimed that the video was irrelevant, but by the end of January 2020, Franco issued a legal letter asking that his testimony and any answers he gives about the case are kept private, and that the information he gives during the questioning is protected. A few weeks ago, new evidence was released that confirmed that Johnny Depp may have been the victim and was wrongfully branded as an abuser, which also damaged his reputation. So the Daily Mail shared audio recordings from 2015, including Amber Heard and Johnny Depp discussing an incident that got physical. So on that recording, the actress opened up about her violent tantrums as the couple tried to talk through their marriage problems, as they both actually admitted to taking actions in anger. And Amber even admitted that she hit her ex-husband and threw pots and pans and vases at him. The couple discussed the degree to which Amber injured Depp, and at one point she tried to downplay her outburst from the previous evening, saying that she hit him but she didn't punch him, and she said, "I was hitting you, I was not punching you. Babe, you're not punched. I don't know what the actual motion of my hand was, but you're fine." And they also talked about one of the witnesses, the manager of the building, Travis, and Johnny said that during one of the arguments he texted the guy to come to their house because he was afraid that the fight would escalate. But Amber didn't tell Travis that she had just punched Johnny in the face and lied. The recording ended with the couple coming to an agreement and wanting to fix their relationship, and Johnny told Amber that he loved her and wanted her to be his wife and he wanted to be a good husband, while she said that she knew that they could be so good, but months later, Amber filed for divorce. Then, previously unseen text messages from 2013 allegedly sent by Depp to his actor friend were read out during Depp's libel action against The Sun over the article from 2018, and it published and claimed that Johnny assaulted Amber. And it didn't look good for the actor because the messages included death threats against Amber. And the thing is that it was Depp's previous attorney team that accidentally shared an archive of 70,000 messages with The Sun lawyers. In November of 2013, Depp apparently sent a text to actor Paul Bettany and said that let's burn Amber. That same day, he allegedly also texted Bettany that they should drown her before they burn her, and that the next part is pretty disgusting, so I'll tell you, it's just involves something called necrophilia. The court also read text that Depp sent to the same friend in May of 2014, and in which had said that he's going to properly stop drinking, and in the same message, he admitted that he drank all night before he picked Amber up to fly to LA, and then the text read, no food for days, powders, half a bottle of whiskey, 1,000 Red Bull and vodkas, pills, 2 bottles of Champers, and on a plane. And of course, there has been much more drama, but I won't bore you with all of that. You can find the full information in our other Amber Johnny videos, and I'll put the links on the screen for you. So what do you guys think about this whole situation? Do you think Amber Heard really was with Elon Musk and Cara Delevingne? Or are all of these just false allegations? Or is Amber going to lose the case with her high-profile attorney? Well, let's discuss all of that in the comments, and remember to like, share, and become part of our Curious Sips family by subscribing to our channel. And also, don't forget to check out our Instagram account. So see you guys next time.